Not every bird was meant for the sky. 4. The kakapo. The world's heaviest parrot is so chunky it can't fly or run. It's a rare nocturnal climber from New Zealand that spends its life waddling through the forest. 3. Flightless cormorant. Found in the Galapagos, this bird has tiny, stunted wings. Since its feathers aren't waterproof, they stay too heavy to lift, making it a master of the sea but stuck on land. 2. Steamer duck. These birds are built like actual boats. Instead of taking off, they flap their wings against the water like a paddle steamer engine to zip across the surface. 1. The kiwi. With tiny wings hidden under fur-like feathers, the kiwi lives more like a mammal. It uses its long beak to sniff out insects underground in total darkness. Which one is your favorite? Like and subscribe for incredible luck this week.